Hey there! So, let's talk about a common problem that can arise when working with local time in Java. The issue we are facing is that when trying to add a specific number of minutes to a local time until midnight, we end up stuck in an infinite loop. We want to increment the time by a certain interval, but need to find a way to stop the loop at midnight to avoid this problem. Now, let's delve into the solution that will help us avoid the infinite loop and increment the time correctly. In the provided solution code snippet, we can see how utilizing the precode defer, local time t equals start, t dot is before, t dot plus minutes, 30, t equals t dot plus minutes, 30. Code loop structure helps us achieve the desired outcome. This loop condition ensures that the loop stops when adding 30 minutes to the current time results in a time less than the current value of t. Building upon that idea, we can further refine our solution to ensure that we also print the last time value of the day. By introducing a new variable precode local time previous equals null, code pre, and adjusting the loop with precode previous equals null previous that is before, t code pre, we can track the previous time and print the final time value before midnight, addressing the issue of missing the last time value of the day. In summary, by implementing the modified loop conditions and introducing an additional variable to track the previous time, we can effectively add a specific number of minutes to a local time until midnight without encountering an infinite loop. I hope this solution helps you overcome similar challenges in your Java programming endeavors. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any coding jokes you might have. Keep coding and stay awesome!